Okay, we're gonna do a quick installation video on just how to install the attachment point in this rail. Here, as you can see, definitely doesn't fit from the top. It is designed to maximize the space underneath the rail so that we can mount some pretty big loads. But if you have the bed tilted up, you can come this way, and right here, you can see this top part of the rail up here is where you're gonna wanna slide your piece in. Up to this piece right here, that will slide it in without having to do a bunch of disassembly. Now, it's tight, don't get me wrong. Once you get it right about there, you can see, just with a push of the finger, it goes straight through, and voila. It's installed. You can slide it to wherever you need it to be for installation. That's a